Hey, I'm Anurag. My
Hi,
internship at
myself
Unified Mentor was a
Drishalvani. I
fantastic
have
learning
completed
experience.
my
I gained practical
internship with
skills
Unified
in web
Mentor as a
development,
full stack web
collaborated with
development
amazing
intern.
mentors,
It was a
and
great learning
worked on real
experience.
life projects.
I got to work on the
And
projects
thank you to the
like
team for your guidance
weather
and
app,
support.
which uses API
This internship
integration,
truly
or
helped me
student
to
teacher
grow. Thank you.
booking appointments,
Hey, I'm Anurag
which
Gaund.
also uses
My
Firebase and
internship at
Cloud
Unified
Firestore.
Mentor was a
I
fantastic
had
learning experience.
such a
I
great
gained
time
practical
working on this
skills
project,
in
which
web development,
makes my
collaborated with
knowledge
amazing
or
mentors,
my theoretical
and
knowledge
worked on
worked
real
into the
life
practical
projects.
ones. It
And
improved
thank you to the
my
team
skills
for
in
your guidance and
HTML,
support.
CSS,
This
JavaScript,
internship
and
truly helped me to grow.
also I
Thank you.
happened to learn
Hey,
new
I'm Anurag
skills
Gaur.
like
My
React,
internship
Node,
at Unified Mentor was
and
a
Firebase
fantastic
as
learning
well.
experience. I gained
I had
practical
such a great
skills
time.
in
Overall,
web
the
development,
mentors in
collaborated with
Unified
amazing
Mentor are so
mentors,
supportive.
and
Any
worked on
doubts
real
can be
life
solved if I
projects.
message them or call them
And
in any
thank you to the
time,
team for your
which was a
guidance and
great
support.
thing which makes
This
every
internship
task
truly helped me to
easier.
grow. Thank you.
Thank you,
Hey, I'm Anurag
Unified
Gaur.
Mentor, for
My
giving me
internship
this
at Unified
opportunity,
Mentor
and I'll
was a
recommend
fantastic
to
learning
all the
experience.
students to gain
I
the
gained
work
practical skills
experience
in
and
web
the
development,
real life experience
collaborated
through
with
this.
amazing
Thank you.
mentors,